Hello everyone, myself Akhilesh Patro and I am an intern at UB Advocate. So my topic for this today's video is conditions of the prison and the custodial rape. So custodial rape is a dangerous issue for women under prison. Custodial assaults shifts in India from one state to another and prison to imprison. Many cases related to custodial rape was not reported till date. The main reason for this is if women complain against the crime, then after the release of her from the jail, society would not see her with good eyes. And if she is a girl, then it will cause problems at the time of her marriage. Hence, they are on back foot in case of doing affair against the rapist. And if some woman tries to do the same, many times no actions were taken against him and causes more hurdles in jail to live a normal life. So, a few programs are happening in jails like Tihar jail consists of art of living programs for prisoners and staffs. Some prisoners carrying vocational programs, but there is no regularity over there. So vocational programs are not very well planned in many prisons. So what are the suggestions that we can give so that to improve the conditions of the prisons? So the first suggestion which I would like to give is more prison should be built so that overcrowding problem can be fixed. But making new jails is not a long-term solution. So there should be presence of open prisons, improving the system of parole and furlough and more fast-track court should be performed to overcome these problems. The second suggestion is a box should be maintained where prisoner can submit their problems occurring in jails and authorities should try to solve their problems. The third suggestion is there should be a separation between criminal offenders to civil, adult to juvenile and male from female. If they are living together, then it will give rise to more crime and criminals. So, and my fourth suggestion is detainees who have completed their schooling in the prison should be provided by some ground arrangement. Accordingly, they should be provided by some placements too. So my next suggestion is basic healthcare facility along with some standards provided to the prisoners. CCTV cameras should be installed in prisoners each and every compartment. There should be some officer who should be responsible for the welfare of the prisoners and the prisons. Permitting interested non-governmental organization who actually wants to work for the upgradation and improvement of the prisoners, including vocational training programs, health-related knowledge and other. National Human Rights Commission should take more part in prison-related matters. There should be more sometime limit provided to the investigation officers for conducting investigation. Matters relating to prison should be added in concurrently so that the central government can make some laws. So in conclusion, I like to say that in three wings of crime and criminology, that is court, police and prison, balance should be maintained. Prison is an important part of the Indian administration and it should be taken care wisely. In order to maintain these living standards in the prisons, many problems as mentioned above including overcrowding in jails, staff shortage in jails, unhealthy living conditions including lack of clothing, improper food, corrupt staffs, custodial days, custodial rape and inadequate prison programs. This should be solved. Prisoners also have their fundamental right except right to liberty, but they have to live in a safe atmosphere, but prison lacks this right too. So regular inspection should be held so that condition of the prisoners should be checked by officers and as soon as possible measures can be taken. It is a need of time of taking some effective measures by administration to maintain the condition of the prisoners. So that's all for today. Thank you.